Ever wondered how you can make any woman miss you, even if she is not particularly fond of you? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Brain Sculpt, the hub of fascinating insights and life-changing strategies. Today, we are diving into an intriguing exploration of human emotions and relationships. We're going to delve into a subject that has mystified many, making someone miss you. Intrigued? We bet you are. Stay tuned as we unravel 29 astonishing techniques that can make any woman miss you. Welcome back to Brain Sculpt channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of human psychology and behavior. Let's dive straight into the first 15 techniques of the art of attraction. Number 1, understand the psychology of attraction. It's not all about looks or material possessions, but rather how you make someone feel. The emotions you evoke in her are the foundation of attraction. Number 2, self-improvement is key. Enhance yourself mentally, physically, and emotionally. This doesn't mean changing who you are, but rather becoming the best version of yourself. Number 3, confidence is king. Confidence in who you are and what you stand for is magnetic. It shows you value yourself and are comfortable in your own skin. Number 4, harness the power of mystery. A little mystery keeps things exciting and stimulates curiosity. Don't give everything away at once. Number 5, communication is vital. Clear, honest, and respectful communication fosters trust, which is an essential element of attraction. Next, number 6, listen more than you speak. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. This shows you value her as a person. Number 7, make her feel special. Compliment her genuinely and show appreciation for her uniqueness. Number 8, be supportive. Be there for her during her ups and downs. This shows your reliability and commitment. Number 9, show ambition. Aspiration and goals are attractive as they show determination and a sense of direction. Number 10, maintain good hygiene. It's basic but crucial. It shows respect for yourself and others. Number 11, show kindness to others. Kindness is a universal language of attraction. Number 12, have a sense of humor. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool. Number 13, show respect for her boundaries. This fosters trust and shows your maturity. Number 14, be consistent. Consistency in your actions and words shows sincerity and reliability. Lastly, number 15, be patient. Attraction takes time to build. But wait, there's more. We've got 14 more intriguing techniques coming up. As we continue our journey, remember that persistence and patience are key. Now let's delve into the remaining 14 techniques, starting with persistence. It's not about bombarding someone with calls, messages, or unwanted attention. It's about showing consistent interest and effort. It's about demonstrating that you're there for the long haul, even when things are less than perfect. Persistence, when done right, is a slow dance, not a sprint. Next, we have maintaining a positive attitude. This goes beyond just being optimistic. It's about fostering a positive energy that others can feel and want to be around. It's about being the person who can bring a smile to her face, even on her gloomiest days. Now let's talk about the art of giving space. It might seem counterintuitive, but sometimes the best way to make someone miss you is to give them room to breathe. It's not about playing hard to get, but about showing respect for her personal space and time. This also allows her to appreciate your presence more when you are together. And finally, we can't forget about the power of thoughtful gestures. It's not about grand gestures or expensive gifts, but the little things that show you care. It could be remembering her favorite book or the way she likes her coffee. These small details can make a big difference. And there you have it. We've covered 14 more techniques, each unique and powerful in its own way. From the art of persistence to the power of thoughtful gestures, each of these elements plays a critical role in creating that longing and desire. But remember, the goal isn't to manipulate or deceive, but to create genuine connections based on respect and mutual interest. So, use these techniques wisely and always with sincerity. So, there you have it. 29 ways to make any woman miss you, even if she doesn't initially like you. Intrigued by what you've learned today? As we wrap up, let's revisit our main points. From the art of attraction to the power of persistence, it's clear that making someone miss you involves a blend of understanding and respect. It's about acknowledging their feelings and boundaries. But remember, these techniques should be applied ethically and responsibly. They're not just tips, they're tools for fostering genuine connections. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brain Sculpt. Until next time, keep sculpting your brain.